Dumbo, I'll know how to get my phone fixed and stop punching innocent people. Look, you'll have several days in prison. Jail. You don't punch innocent people. You punch that man too much. You're gonna have a meeting. You're gonna go to Australia. You'll see Finding Neverland next year. You'll see Disney's Rainy Version, Pinocchio, Aristocats Family, and Snow White. How am I going to see Peter Pan on Broadway? And how am I supposed to see the live-action version of Peter Pan this year? They already filmed Peter Pan. It's finished. They have to release the movie and the trailer for the movie. You know what a movie is? A movie is different than a book. The difference between the books and the movies. I can still talk, but I have a very strange accent. You don't curse, you don't scream, you don't punch, you don't kick, you don't cuss. If you punch innocent people, they'll have to sue you. Don't make me hit that stick on you. Don't you do it when you get Pauline this Christmas. And for your birthday, you're going to get Lady from Lady and Tramp, Ghostbusters, Wii Sports Resort, and Wii Fit Plus for the Wii. And finally, Beauty and the Beast and the Wizard of Oz on the Super Nintendo. You know who the Wizard of Oz is, Dumbo. The Wizard of Oz is a fairy tale. You know what a fairy tale is? It doesn't even happen in real life. Dumbo, I'm a fairy tale. In the original, I got hung by the fox and the cat. You're thinking of Honest John and Gideon. You shut up. Hey. No swearing. Swearing is illegal, Dumbo. Doesn't matter if you're going in Halloween, seeing a haunted circus, or even us, you could see creepy-looking circus clowns. Sometimes those terrifying clowns could be in kids' shows, Pinocchio. I mean, they're horror. Look, Dumbo. Horror. Hey, why does he have that back scratcher on me? Put me down. You're not the fish in the pot from the Cat in the Hat. I don't know who the fish in the pot is. There's also the Cat in the Hat. Oh, come on. It's the... No one really knows who the fish in the pot is. Or even the Cat in the Hat. To the fish in the pot. Cat in the Hat to the fish in the pot. In the hat to the fish in the pot. I'm very not sure when I'm gonna go to Universal Studios Florida and Walt Disney World. You know what attractions close at Universal Studios Florida, Dumbo? Jaws, King Kong, Twister, Back to the Future, Earthquake and Disaster, Shrek and Alfred Hitchcock, Jimmy Neutron, and Hanna-Barbera. Man, what are they gonna put at the Kids Zone? Well, I don't know, Dumbo. They're gonna put more Hanna-Barbera stuff. Probably Smurfs or even Mario. I thought they're gonna keep Woody Woodpecker. I thought Woody Woodpecker is gonna be defunct. Well, I'm not sure, Dumbo. When Universal Studios Florida opened in the 90s... No, Universal Studios Florida exists to this day. Jaws, King Kong, Twister, Back to the Future, Jimmy Neutron, Hanna-Barbera, Alfred Hitchcock, and one of Universal's last operating day attractions, Shrek. Man, both Jimmy Neutron and Hanna-Barbera were both replaced by, Minions. And Shrek and Alfred Hitchcock were both replaced by another Minions attraction. Twister was replaced by Jimmy Fallon. Ghostbusters was brought back. Jaws was replaced by Harry Potter. And finally, Dumbo. Which other attraction closed in Universal Studios Florida? Well, there's King Kong was replaced by the Mummy. Back to the Future was replaced with the Simpsons. Which other attractions did they close? Terminator was not going to be replaced by anything. Man, this attraction needs to be replaced with something. Oh my goodness, Dumbo. Which other attraction are they going to replace? Fear Factor and Animal Actors. I think those ones are going to get replaced by something else. How are they going to do that? It's hard to replace them. They can't just replace with new attractions. Jaws was moved over to Jimmy Fallon's side and the San Francisco area. You can easily find Jaws in the tribute stores, and Jaws could easily be found in Diagon Alley. Where else can you find Jaws? Well, except the park. Ghostbusters was found in Horror Nights, which Ghostbusters was brought back. Even though I don't think they're going to replace The Simpsons or Dr. Seuss in Universal Studios Florida. But they're planning to still keep the Cat in the Hat, or planning to still keep the train, and they're still planning to keep the Dr. Seuss Carousel, and finally they'll still plan to keep the Green Eggs and Ham attraction. It's more like having breakfast, having green eggs and ham. Well, you could try that for breakfast someday. You'll try something new. Maybe you'll try some brown ice cream. Well, is that flavor? You'll try something new. You'll try something new to eat. You'll go to Walt Disney World, go on the Dumbo ride, or the Toy Story ride, or the new Snow White ride. What about Buzz Lightyear? Yeah, that could be something you do. What else? Well, there's also which other attraction can I go at Walt Disney World? Well, there's also you can go on the Twilight Zone, or the new Mickey Mouse ride that they just opened. What happened to the extraterrestrial encounter? It's sadly closed. So is Stitch. When it finally reopens as another alien attraction, you'll try going on it again soon in the future. You'll go on Space Mountain, or the New Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, or go on the Haunted Mansion. Go to Epcot. Go to Animal Kingdom. And go to Star Wars Land. I'm not gonna go with BB-8. And I'm not gonna go on the... No, you will. Maybe I should go on the Rise of Resistance. Or go on the Marvel rides. Guardians of the Galaxy. And other Marvel attractions. They only exist in Universal Studios Florida as well. I don't care about Spider-Man. I don't care about Rocket Raccoon. I don't care about the Incredible Hulk. And I don't care about... Who do you not care about? I don't care about going on new rides at Walt Disney World. You listen to me, Dumbo. Need any repairs? Hey, don't spank me like that. Hey, you don't spank Nala. Listen here, Dumbo. I'm a big plush doll. I don't know how big am I. Look. I'm okay. That's right. Your chest is all covered in fur because I can't see your boobies. It's disgusting and it's inappropriate. Can't see Marie's boobies either. It's inappropriate, Dumbo. You don't know what's going on. Shush. Your fudging mouth, Marie. And you don't speak rude to your mom if you want to go to that haunted circus. Well, a haunted circus is a haunted house I'm gonna go to. Seeing magic tricks where you get sawed in half. Sawed in half means I would rather die by getting sawed in half. I have stitches around my neck to come back to life in Tim Burton style. What could happen to Pinocchio in the near future? Shut up! You know better. Look at Wally. He's all covered in tape. I know. I need to get some hot glue for me on that tape. I don't care about getting hot glue or stitches. No, Wally, he could fix you with hot glue next time. Hot glue equals when you fix your plush dolls. Dumbo, you listen to me. I'm a robot and I can't die. I'm just an elephant in this episode. You shut the fudge up when he do some Wii or Xbox downstairs. Is he gonna try his best to beat Lion King, Pinocchio, and Peter Pan? You know who Peter Pan is, Wally. Peter Pan never ever grows up. I don't age pretty well, Wally. I'm just a little circus elephant. No, elephants are big. You are big. You're a big circus elephant. You're a big circus elephant. Simba and Nala can't eat you. You just shut the fudge up and you listen to me. Listen up, Dumbo. Bambi is not like other deer. Yeah, Dumbo. I don't get hunted until I grow up. No, you're already grown up. What? You have antlers, so does Pauline. We don't hunt female deer. They're does. Oh, you're right. Pauline will not like it if she... No, you can't hunt Pauline either. You can't hunt me. You can't hunt me for me. I'm too big to eat. Oh, hunting deer for meat. You shut up. What would Nemo say? Nemo! 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 You only got a story. You'll find Nemo later.